Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, but if you have Chrysler 200 procedure might work and apply to that vehicle as well, because both of them share the same platform. We will show you guys how to remove or how to replace front seat. We'll demonstrate, guys, on the front left driver side seat we need to remove it, guys, but if you need to do the passenger side, procedure will be very close as well. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do and all the free information we provide to you guys. If you want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get it for a really good price and fast shipping as well. Now, the front seat, guys, you have to be extremely careful because new vehicles now, they have airbags in the seat. I'll explain that in a second. So if you don't follow certain procedures, airbags can kill you guys, they can kill people around you, so you have to be extremely careful. Okay, we'll demonstrate on this seat, but the other seat will be, or it should be, about the same. Now, we have power seats. If you have manual seats, you can go ahead and disconnect the car battery right now, guys, and wait at least 1 hour before you start this removing the seat and disconnecting wires, because we have airbag here in the seat, guys, and you don't want that thing to explode in your face, right? So if you have manual seats, disconnect it, wait 1 hour, and then start taking the seat apart. In our case, guys, we have power seats. We will not be able to disconnect the car battery until we remove all 4 bolts holding the seat down. Then we'll disconnect the car battery, and we'll explain that in a second. Dodge, guys, Chrysler, Jeep, they started using some funny looking tools, okay, like that. We found them, guys. You can see the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for a good price instead of paying hundreds of dollars. So this is the tool. This is size number 2. It goes here, guys, and we're going, okay, let me just grab the impact quick, okay, and see if those things are super tight or they will come loose with that little impact. Oh, it came out, so not too tight. 1 bolt here, then we have 1 bolt, guys, on the, okay, let me show you now, right here on the front right side. This one is out too, guys. 2 bolts out. Now, what else we need to do? Okay, let me show you. I'll need a second person in a second. We need to scoot the seat all the way to the front now. Why? Simply, guys, because we'll need to remove 2 more bolts that are on the back side of the seat. Okay, let me grab the tools to make sure they're not in the way. So if I need something, I can access it. Okay, perfect. That's as far as it can go. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'll get the same tool that we already used, and we'll go to the rear door here, open the door, and I'll show you, okay, what do we have here. Let me scoot a few things over quick, because we have the computers and everything else. So I'm going inside now, okay, and we'll have somebody hold the camera like that. Now we have, guys, 1 bolt, okay, and that's a hidden bolt, I think, right here. Let me check quick, because I think I need to get a Phillips screwdriver, or we have a cover here for the bolt. I will need to actually check this thing out, but let's go to this side first. Okay, there is 1 bolt right there that we need to remove, and from what I see, I need to actually scoot the seat up a little bit. Okay, that thing, it needs to go forward so I can access it with the tool, otherwise I won't be able to, guys. So let's go ahead. Okay, nope, the other way. Perfect. Do that, and at the same time okay, this thing is extremely tight, so I'll get the bigger tools now. So I actually, guys, got the bigger tools now. Okay, what I'm going to do, let's see if we can get that ratchet here in place. Okay, it started coming loose a little bit, so let me position it again here. Okay, this one is loose, guys. So if I get the impact, I should be able to get it tight. Sometimes you may have a little bit of rust on those underneath, so this one is out. You can see this bolt is out. Now, what else we need to do? Okay, here, guys, on this side we have a cover that we need to open. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, like that. Now, I probably should have removed the floor mat a little bit, to be honest with you. Let me step on it like that so I can access it, or actually I don't think it's even the floor mat being the cause of that. Okay, perfect, like that. And I will go ahead and see if I can access this bolt, guys. Okay, it's all the way up there. So let me just get the two in there. I know I'm in the way of the camera, but otherwise it's almost impossible, guys. Whoever decided to put that bolt there, not a fun thing. So what I'll do, I'll get the extension. And we'll try to find it today. Okay, perfect, just like that. So once it's in, okay, I need to actually reposition it because I cannot turn like that. Okay, it came loose, guys. So what I'll attempt to do now is to remove it with the impact. Once you get them loose, they go with the impact pretty easy, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, and the bolt will come out. You can see just like that. So at that point, guys, okay, I'm going to scoot a little bit the seat, okay, to the center of the rails, okay, like that. And now what I'll recommend, guys, go ahead, disconnect your car battery at least for 1 hour, okay, before you continue. That way the airbag system will discharge. But if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do the repair, guys, because those things can kill you. Consider this entertaining video. We'll disconnect our car battery. If you want to find out how to properly disconnect car battery, check it out. We have the video on the channel, how to properly disconnect car battery on Dodge Dart. Check it out. So we'll go ahead, disconnect ours, and we'll continue after at least 1 hour. So now, guys, we can lift it up a little bit, okay, and right here, guys, there is a few things that we need to disconnect. Okay, there is a wiring harness, okay, that we need to disconnect. So I'll have somebody hold the camera, okay, just like that, okay, just like that. So let me show you now what we'll be doing here. Here we need to disconnect, guys, okay, we need to disconnect, okay, that wiring harness. And how you do that, okay, let's figure it out together, guys, how to do that now. So now, guys, I figured it out. Okay, let's hold like that, more like that. Okay, perfect. This one right here, guys, you have two things that you need to spread out here, spread to the outside, and once you do that, okay, you grab that connector, slide it out, and the wires come out. Now let me show you what we'll be doing, guys, with the car battery disconnected, okay, and all that stuff. Okay, I'm going to pass the camera so we can hold the camera, guys, and show you from here. Okay, let's come from right here. I'll pull the seat out. This is one heavy seat, guys. Okay, no joke, this seat is super heavy. So let me show you now. We're coming out, and this is, guys, the car seat out of it. So you can see, guys, that's how we did it. We got it out, the whole thing. You always find some change, some trash there, so clean it. That will be the time to do it now. So that's how you guys remove front seat on Dodge Dart or Chrysler 200. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.